Today we had the honor of participating in the Artificial Intelligence Conference. The University of Tehran was invited to this ceremony through the implementation of the IPM program. We have explained a very detailed presentation about the measures that were taken to computerize the management in Tehran University of Medical Sciences using office automation software. OpenAI models presented 5 levels of utilizing artificial intelligence. Level 1 includes all the general AIs in use globally. This includes AI and speech recognition. A Spanish research institution launched a webometry project coloring university websites worldwide. Tehran University of Medical Sciences improved its global ranking from 505th to 445th after implementing AI in its new website system. This shows significant AI benefits. We are the first to achieve this. They fall under Level 1. Tehran University improved its global ranking from 505th to 445th using AI. This shows significant AI benefits. First in the country to publish an AI usage guide, Level 2 involves human-level reasoning agents. At Tehran University of Medical Sciences, our AI-driven website improved our global ranking from 505th to 445th. First to publish AI usage guide. Reasoning agents solve human-level problems. Medical chat aids in diagnosing tough cases. We have published a guide on how to use AI, detailing what sectors should pay attention to and follow. We have formalized it. Level 2 involves agents that solve problems at a human level, dealing with logic, decisions, and learning. Specialized AIs have emerged. In medicine, we have MedChat, designed for doctors. Several specialists need to see the case. It analyzes history, raises questions, and leads to a diagnosis. Real-world systems perform functions. They can automate processes. The 4th level is innovative, where AI aids breakthroughs and can bring creativity. AI manages organizations overseeing all. In fact, an open diagnosis raises further questions and leads to a final diagnosis. The 3rd and 4th levels involve systems that perform functions in the real world. The most important aspect is that they can automate processes within themselves. The 4th level is innovative, where artificial intelligence helps with breakthroughs and can bring creativity to the forefront. Ultimately, AI manages the entire organization. The challenges we faced were mainly related to manually defining shifts. The next discussion was about the inability to define shifts based on influencing entities. The next topic is about nurses who had previously worked with them in a shift. The next issue was the inability to use an individual's shift history. The solutions we were looking for started with having an integrated system. The discussion was about the integration of traffic data. We were considering the possibility of using dashboards, the possibility of using artificial intelligence calculations and algorithms, as well as the ability to have self-reports. Viewing personal productivity reports, checking personal reports, and requesting leave are features that can be seen and utilized in various sections of this application. You can also see here the reports that supervisors should have. The shift calendar that they use when they want to apply shifts relies on various codes because each morning and afternoon has different codes. They can view the overall productivity reports of all nurses based on their departments, as well as the reports for their audiences. And they can see the shift calendar and have the option to edit it. The first action we took using artificial intelligence was to create a dashboard with this data. What did the dashboard show us? Key performance indicators. You can see that this is actually a calculation. These are the people who have just joined and haven't registered in the shift system yet, meaning they just announced in the middle of our process that they don't want to be part of it. These are levels 1 and 2, meaning 661 people entered the level 1 shift system. 123 people reached level 2, and 51 people reached level 3. Level 3 means that 51 people were added to the university's workforce because they are working equivalent to a full-time employee in their overtime. And in this way, about 600 personnel were added in 6 months. Exactly. We can't hire in any model. If this system didn't exist, it would have been completely impossible for us. But what shape is it? It's round. You see, system was prepared by Chagonet and information was being built on top of it in this format. An application was added. So basically, we had an operational system, and we built a DSS, decision support system, on top of it. In this, we were able to define the shift and schedule using the data stored in the application and create the possibility of using and analyzing this data. This is an overall view of the console. You can see the shift report. Soon, each staff can view their performance on phones. This experience was very appealing to the participants. We hope that with the activities carried out by the esteemed Vice Presidency for Development and Resource Management of the University, the Human Resources Management, the Nursing Management, and the Treatment Vice Presidency, along with the participation of the Smart Secretariat and the Service Desk, you'll see new achievements.